All good evening. So welcome to today's market analysis. So today was first day of Bank Nifty's a new expiry date, that is Wednesday. So from today the weekly expiry of Bank Nifty would be on Wednesday and monthly would be on Thursday. So a major change in the market dynamics because of the expiry. So as we can see, Nifty closed flat today, but it was a very eventful day in the sense that we had good moves on both the sides, both tradable moves on both the sides. So as we were discussing, yesterday that Nifty, took resistance at the previous day high. So the previous day, as you can see that it took resistance towards the previous day high and slowly started to come down. So this is traditional, classical price action behavior. When something starts to make low, you can see that this is kind of making a lower high structure, and it eventually breaks the yesterday's swing, right? So this was a swing which was there yesterday, and it broke that swing with a very good candle. So, but post that, Nifty just it was just that it broke this level itself, nothing much. After that, it just consolidated and then it gave a good reversal thing. So, one thing what we must very much be clear is the levels on the chart, right? So why I'm emphasizing this is because when you look at this level, for example, the area where it took support, right? This is the level. If you have to just mark it, so this is the level where the price starts to take support and it's something is stopping the price from going down. So what is that zone? If you just go back and analyze, you find that this was the zone where the price it consolidated and it gave a breakout of the zone, I think 2 days back, right? So that is the zone. So wherever there is a consolidation and a breakout, so whenever and the price comes again towards that zone will definitely act as support. So this was the context for this stoppage at this point. So being aware of such levels is very much crucial, apart from the standard levels which are already being displayed on the chart. So that's one thing. And in fact, this level was, I think, more visible on the spot chart. For example, when you look at the Nifty spot chart, you can see that this particular swing of consolidation and breaking out, so was pretty much evident, right, on the spot chart. So that is why sometimes uh, relatively seeing spot and futures would definitely help to get the swings. But in either the case, one has to have this awareness that it was a consolidation and breakout of the zone. So that's why this zone acted as support for Nifty, and eventually the market took a turn and closed on the towards the day's high, that is the previous day high. But another important observation today was the open is equal to low condition on Reliance. So whenever there is open is equal to low on any heavyweight, so you must be very cautious on shorting the market, right? Reliance, HDFC Bank, or even ICICI Bank for that matter, whenever they have open is equal to low condition, we must be very, very cautious on the short side. And again, today was one such example where Reliance, after this open is equal to low, it although did a minor breakdown, we can call this a fake breakdown kind of thing, and it gave a fierce, up move post it getting back inside its open is equal to low area, and that is what gave a fantastic move for move in Nifty at the end of the day. So overall Nifty, we can see that it closed towards its day's high, partly because of the short covering. You can definitely tell. This was with respect to Nifty. And coming to Bank Nifty also, Bank Nifty, as you can see on the chart, we were discussing from, I think, past couple of days that Bank Nifty is taking resistance at this previous week zone, right? So it's a previous week high, and Bank Nifty was taking resistance, and we discussed that yesterday it did a fake breakout. So when you logically observe the price action, when price does this, it gives a fake breakdown, a fake breakout, it comes down. Logically, it's heading for another low. I mean, low which is lower than this, right? So that's what it did today. It came towards this support zone, which was an earlier swing point. Same like Nifty, you can say that this was an earlier consolidation and breakout level. Same thing, almost once, twice, and today it's the third time the Bank Nifty took support from the zone, and Most interestingly, this is a psychological zone of 44,500. So in that context, the zone is also very important as a crucial support. And eventually, a Bank Nifty came up. And most important reason is, of course, one is the context of Reliance being open is equal to low, giving some positive sentiment. And other thing is the index heavyweight itself. That is HDFC Bank itself was very strong today on an intraday basis. So that is why when you look at the HDFC Bank chart on the daily time frame, you can see that this 1558, that is 1560 zone, HDFC Bank has taken multiple supports actually. This was the first breakaway gap and breakout of this level. It has tested the support once, again here once, given a fake breakout thing, fake breakdown actually, and then it closed inside this. And again, recent times it has taken support here and it is trying to go up, and interestingly it has broken this trend line, and the volume is also pretty high. This breakout trend line breakout volume. So if HDFC Bank takes out this open is equal to high condition, which was there a few days back, I think if it takes out this zone, we can expect a good move on HDFC Bank and in turn Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty. So crucial to watch out for this level on HDFC Bank. And one more observation today was the ICICI Bank also. You can see that ICICI Bank also today had a open is equal to low condition, but it violated this open is equal to low condition today, and that's what also contributed to the swift down move in the opening. So whenever there is open is equal to low condition, and if that condition is violated, right, so that becomes a good short trade in one sense, because when a low open is equal to low condition is violated, it means that the bullish nature which was exhibited by the instrument at the opening is no more bullish, and it is going down. So once it goes down, we must look for the price objective, that is price targets, which it can give. One can obviously be the swings, which are pretty much evident, but since it is an open is equal to low violation, I would rather consider a stronger price objective, that is being a swing which is maybe a bit farther away, because since open is equal to low is getting violated, we cannot expect that the fall can be only till this level, right? Because this open is equal to low getting violated is a strong violation in that sense. What I'm trying to convey. So price ultimately came and took support here. This was actually the previous week low. Can look at it from the chart also. So this is the previous week low, and ultimately ICICI Bank bounced from here. So that's the context, and that's why I have the levels already on the chart, because when I look at ICICI Bank, it was visually evident for me that once that open is equal to low, a condition was violated. The price ultimately, you can see here that, yeah. So once open is equal to low was violated, first thing, the price objective next becomes the previous day low, and once the previous day low was broken, it's a breakdown for the intraday, right? So once this was broken, the strong objective for the price next was previous week low, and once this previous week low objective was achieved, so price took a technical bounce from the previous week lower level. So this was how the heavyweights were kind of acting in tandem. You can kind of say for index management and other things, but open is equal to low on both ICICI Bank and Reliance, and HDFC Bank being strong, very strong context for today's market to at least not end up in green. So I mean, not end up in red, at least Nifty for that matter, right? So hope this quick analysis was helpful. Thank you.